Okay, hello everybody, Mr. FX speaking. So let's do a quick analysis on Nasdaq. On Nasdaq. Currently, we strongly believe that Nasdaq is rising. There's more liquidity in here, so it can rise until this point possibly. This is what we have. This is our previous high. This is our previous low. Now where the market is currently is. Okay, so or where the market is currently coming from. So it's rising perhaps maybe until this zone, because we're doing zone to zone trading. Okay, but then at the very same time, we can't ignore the fact that the market was playing around this area for a very long time in here. So it's very much possible that it's gonna rise to this one and then fall. It's very much possible that it's gonna rise to this one and then fall. So this is the possible next move. But currently we have this. Once again, we can clearly see the structure. We've got a falling structure. You can place a trend line like this. It's okay to see that's okay. The market is really falling. So every time you see a sell opportunity, you take it. So in here, if the market happens to come here, then obviously you will take a sell, because it will be aligned with your trend line as well as with your strong support zone, which will now become your resistance zone. Okay, unfortunately we don't do trend lines. It's just for us to see the direction of the market. Okay, now moving down to smaller time frames to clearly see what's happening. In here, first we have we just have this zone. Let's try to adjust it a little bit. Okay, let's adjust it like this. Yeah, it's fine now. Nice. Then we can lock it if you want to, but yeah. And then let's adjust this one like this, because we want to make sure that our zone is perfectly aligned to our shadows, not in the body. So currently we can see that this is more like a double bottom. This is more like a double bottom. This is bottom one, this is bottom two. So what can happen next is that the market can rise. You see, it can rise. It's very much possible. But then let's continue. So we are really hoping that it will rise past this point. Perhaps maybe it can do this, because this is a zone. What can happen is that it rises above this one and come back to test it before it goes there. This is the possible next movement if it only rises above this area in here. Okay, so let's switch to smaller time frames to find entries. Okay, currently we can't ignore this zone here. We can't ignore it. We really can't ignore it. So let's just let me see. Yeah, we really can't ignore this zone. It is a zone and it is aligned with this one here. So currently we can say the markets can fall. The markets can fall. Why? Because it has reached our previous resistance zone, this one in here. So what can happen is this: the markets can fall to this area again before it even rises. So currently we are on a sell, even though we know that the market is, the structure of the market is selling. So every time we're seeing a sell opportunity, we take it. Okay, just like this one, zone to zone trading is giving us a sell in here. So to find entries, we just switch to smaller time frames and look out for for sell opportunities. As for me, I'd take a sell here if it goes below this one, because you know I'm doing zone to zone, right? So if it can go below this area, I'd take a sell. I'd take a sell. In fact, I will be taking a sell. Okay, this doesn't look good. Still doesn't look good. Okay, better. Yeah, I would take a sell if it comes below this one. So this is my sell entry in here. So it's gonna be selling to that zone. Okay, so this zone. This is what's gonna happen. I strongly believe so. I strongly believe so. It's gonna sell to this area. So yeah, this is it with our NASDAQ. So we take a sell around here, and then we take profits around here if you are ready to hold. Okay, this is it. Yeah,